The first excavator in the world was invented in 1899, while China's first excavator debuted in 1956.
Fast forward to 2023, the global leader in excavator is now a Chinese private company, Sany Heavy Industry. How did China evolve from a new hand to a top contender in just a few decades?
In the early days of the People's Republic of China, we struggled to produce even a simple screw, relying entirely on manual labor. The construction machinery market was dominated by international giants like Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, and Liebherr.
Instead of being discouraged, Chinese companies embarked on a challenging journey of independent innovation and technology development.
In 1994, Sany launched China's first domestically made trailer pump, making a significant milestone for this industry.
By 2012, the China construction machinery industry made a historic move onto the global stage.
Sany acquired Putzmeister, the world's top concrete machinery manufacturer. XMG bought German giant Schwing, and Zoomlion took over Italy's Sifa, the third largest concrete machinery brand.
In piling, where the foreign brands like Bauer and Soilmec once held sway,
our first developed Drillmaster calibars achieved a world record by creating a 160-meter deep cast-in-place concrete pile for the Hangzhou Bay Railway Bridge.
Transitioning from made in China to created in China,
Chinese construction machinery companies have continually broken through core technological barriers, shifting from followers to leaders. China's production capacity now caters to global demand, not just domestic needs.
Over the past 75 years, Chinese construction machinery industry has evolved from obscurity to global prominence, with its brands and technologies gaining international acclaim.